G'day folks, welcome to an OCC Queensland weather wrap today, the 3rd of December 2022. My name's Chris Nitzo. This update brought to you by our major sponsor, TownsvilleSheds.com. Check them out if you're in the market for a shed-safe accredited shed. Right, the big thing that sticks out today is this big blob of cloud off the Cape York Peninsula coastline. This is associated with a weak low pressure system that's tracking away from the Queensland coastline. We're not expecting and anticipating that to come back at all towards the Queensland coast, and it's taking a lot of the weather away to the east with it. Elsewhere, what we can see is a little bit of isolated convection through the overnight early morning period through Western Queensland. We'll see more of that through the day today and probably spreading that out a bit today. We've got lots of shower activity just off the southeast Queensland coastline. Some of it's just starting to nudge the coast this morning. A couple of showers out here around the Mackay Whitsundays, a couple of showers off the North Tropical coastline. Through the day today, we'll see those showers on the coastline start to spread a little bit more inland. So as the afternoon progresses, you might see a couple of showers developing over the inland northeast, inland southeast regions of the state. Notice here, this is where most of our convection is going to be today, our more significant thunderstorm activity. It is mid-level base storm activity though, so we're not anticipating any big falls of rain coming out of this stuff out west. Notice also quite a bit of shower and potentially an isolated thunderstorm too across the Gulf country and through parts of Cape York Peninsula. All the really heavy rain, though, is located offshore. As we progress into this evening and tonight, we'll see a slight increase in shower activity around southeast Queensland. Also notice we could start to see some more showers redeveloping across central, east and northeastern parts of the state. Also, isolated shower activity through the northern Cape York Peninsula may be enhanced a little bit through the overnight early morning period on that western Cape. As we go into tomorrow, we're going to see more shower activity across southeast Queensland compared to today, and you'll notice that some of this isolated convective activity shifts into North Queensland and a little further east in central inland Queensland. Accumulated rainfall between now and when we talk again in the morning, we can see northeast Queensland getting a few showers, central east Queensland very isolated showers, southeast Queensland also getting quite a few showers here between now and tomorrow morning. And notice it's not just on the coast, there are some isolated falls, very isolated, relatively weak showers occurring through the inland regions as well. This is where our storm activity is going to be over the next 24 hours primarily. We'll see these convective cells, once again not expecting to see much rain out of them. Probably overestimated by the modelling, the amount of rainfall coming out of the Cape activity, but there will be some isolated showers and thunderstorms through the Cape region, giving us some probably better falls of rain in this stuff than there is further southwards, just because there's more moisture available in the atmosphere the further north we go into the tropics. Of course, I probably don't need to tell you this, but southeasterly winds will dominate most of Queensland's eastern coast, in fact all of Queensland's eastern coastline over the next 12 to 24 hours. So it's pretty prohibitive for boating conditions unless you know of any sheltered, really close inshore spots. These are sustained winds. Obviously, wind gusts are going to be about 5 to 10 knots stronger than these sustained winds. And don't be surprised if we do get some squally conditions with some of these showers around southeast Queensland as well. So at the leading edge of those showers, we could see some slightly heavier falls. Notice also there's a little bit of a trough system there very close to the southeast Queensland coast overnight early in the morning. And the same thing applies to northeast Queensland. Notice here where the arrows are coming together, creating a bit of a trough line. All right, folks, that's it from me. I'll talk to you again in the morning. Don't forget, if you'd like to support our work, head over to join.ozcyclonechasers.com.au and check out our subscription options for way more detail and depth in our weather information.